All right, guys, here we go. Looking at the 2-minute chart for AMD Advanced Micro Devices. And we wanted to take a short here off the 200. And it doesn't count unless you get it on video. Um, so we're waiting for maybe a little pullback retest up here. Oh, man, just didn't get it all hooked up at the right time. Well, speaking of time, we have the real strong time count here on the way up. And then high percentage of time, high prob, you know how we are on percentages and probabilities. We'll go and take, I missed it, but anyway, take it there. If it pushes up more, we'll take another, short position. But anyway, when price is down, under, or on top of the 200 from an extended price range, when price gets into the 200, most times it will be rejected if it's coming up from the downside, from the bottom to the downside, and then if it's coming from the top down, it'll bounce back in the opposite direction. So we're just playing that right now, and a lot of people get confused on it. They wait until um, they don't see it. They go, well, it's real close, but they're not going back in time is the secret. And watching it, going back and down, how far below it. See right here, well below it. So if we had come up here, that would have been a good opportunity. But we even fell further, if you can see here, under it. So that's why we, jumped in there on that. And let me do a little trick here. Okay, so maybe to 92.70 is what we might be looking for right in here. And we'll go ahead and take it at that point because we don't want a real shallow. A lot of times what you'll have is up, down, a shallow pullback and continuation. And uh, let's see. Trying to see what else to the, because what's going to dictate where this lands or bounces is previous, well, one of the factors. Okay, you need a number of factors, but see, this was support, resistance, came back, see resistance, resistance. So maybe it'll be a little bit of support this time, but what I'm concerned about if the markets are catching a nice bid and like I put up there, ooh, okay, let me get out of here and see if we can come down that blue dash line. And that's where we will get out of this thing maybe a little earlier. Got about 20 seconds, 19 seconds. And what I'm concerned about is this up, shallow pullback and go. Hope we get a little bit, but there's not a whole lot to the left to necessarily help it with support. So we're looking for that blue dash line, but if it doesn't, we can't get there. I'm gonna go ahead and take it to, there's 220. Okay, we're out. We're not gonna get greedy. Okay, and we'll see if that was close enough for government work. A lot of times these support zones or resistance zones, it doesn't necessarily have to pinpoint it perfectly. Okay, can be kind of a flexible range zone. And if you get into um, the zone, the box, whatever, then you'll be able to, make it happen. And then we're on a, count that a lot of times you get a reversal on as well, but nothing counts until you get confirmation. Okay, so like I know I keep drawing this a million times, but this uptrend, and then we pull back that we're watching now. And if it's a shallow one, like what we're kind of looking at here, yeah, we could come back up here into the 200 very very easily. There's 30, we have it less than 30 seconds, so we'll keep it here. And then people like these videos short and sweet, so um, you know, close it out here in a few seconds. But in the meantime, thanks so much for watching the video. Check us out on Twitter, our Patreon site, and then also we have our 50% off introduction to micro futures. Have you followed us for any time on Twitter, whatever, you know, we love gold, silver, oil, commodities. I mean, we just tear it up. It's almost like going to an ATM, and we explain all that in great detail in that course. And appreciate you checking that out. But okay, starting a new candle. All right, we're out of here. Have a great day, and we will see you on the charts.